If you're a hybrid student, this week's assignment will be done in class face-to-face, so you don't need to be worried about doing it here on Canvas. If you're an online student, what you'll be doing for your week 2 assignment is talking more about your connection with population health. So, of course, look at the outcome as well as the description. When we get down to the directions, you're going to be going in, and in the resources page for week 2, you'll see there's quite a few different videos. You'll be watching those and then giving kind of a synopsis based on those as far as what population health is. The second part you need to address is what roles you personally have played in population health. Now that could be formally. You may have worked for a public health department or something along those lines, school nursing, or it may be informally. Everyone works as a public health nurse or population health nurse in one capacity or another, even if that's giving medical advice to others who are not necessarily our patients, like family members and friends without insurance and all that good stuff. So the third part is looking at the Healthy People 2020 initiative, and that link will take you directly to that page. And you need to discuss what significant roles community health nurses play in working toward these overarching goals. And then finally, what is the population health nurse role in advocating for health within vulnerable populations? So this isn't just an awareness, but really advocating for these populations at an individual and as a whole population level. Make sure you submit these, and for those of you who are online, you'll also be going in and responding to your peers' postings. So please keep an eye on that as well.